Okay, so like your objective says, we're reviewing today. If we're reviewing, that means tomorrow we're having a test, like we said last week. So now, every so did you write holiday for Monday or no school or something? Okay. Don't write today's warm up on Monday because it's not Monday, it's Tuesday, right? Now, these are the things that you want to have turned in. I put in up to 5. I don't know. Anyways, I updated your grades through like the week before, last week. So you could check those out. Anything until 1 is missing, you want to get that turned in. A lot of y'all have quiz corrections to do still, so after we finish the warm-up, I got to help y'all get on track with that, okay? But let's do a warm-up real quick. This type of problem is on your review, which will be on your test tomorrow. You got to be able to divide, and we learned the method of synthetic division. So let me show you how that's done, right? Put that away. Okay. Everyone looking up here. Thank you for looking. Now, we are dividing. Normally, we don't see it like this, like horizontally. Don't we usually see it like a fraction? Bless you. It means the same thing. It means the same thing, but this is how you normally see it, like a fraction bar, like this. So like if you want to rewrite it and that helps you, that's fine. But we're going to do the same method, okay? Y'all remember, we're not doing it that long way with all the crazy dividing stuff. We're using this method that looks like this, right? How do I figure out the multiplier that goes like right here? Y'all remember? What's my first step? Okay, x plus 9 equals what? No.
9. You gotta subtract 9.
From what?
X. 9.
X plus 9 equals what? What do I set this equal to? 0. Okay. So does everyone remember this from last week? I know it's been a 3-day weekend. You have to take that denominator, set it equal to 0, and then solve it. Now it's going to be a one-step equation, so I really hope everyone can solve one step. Okay. What do I do first to get rid of that plus 9? Okay, minus 9 on both sides, so I get x equals negative 9. That is going to be your multiplier right there. So go ahead and put negative 9. And I like to put a little multiplication sign to remind myself this is my multiplier. And then, yes, I need to bring down all my coefficients. Before we do that, we want to see, are there any missing terms? So let's see here. I have a third power, second power, one power, nothing. So nothing's missing here. I got all the degrees, 3, 2, 1, 0. So now I'm going to look at the coefficients, the numbers in front. What's in front of the x cubed? What's implied? What's supposed to be there? Yeah, there's a 1 here, okay? And then what? The next one we have is 5. We got 1. We got 5. We got negative 29. We got positive 59. Let's write those down. 1, 5, negative 29, 59. Okay, so is everyone able to get the multiplier, write down the coefficients, and then, remember the trick is, vertically we add, multiply, bring it over, vertically you add. Okay, that's the cycle. What do I do first here with this 1? You do not multiply the first number, actually.
Add it.
Bring it down. So draw a little arrow. The 1 goes here. And now you start multiplying. So yeah, 1 times negative 9 goes right here. What is it? Negative 9. And what do I do vertically? Add. So 5 plus negative 9?
4.
Kind of.
Negative 14. No, or negative
say it in the right order.
Negative 4.
-4. There you go. So 5 plus -9. If you're not sure, or even if you're kind of sure, you should probably check with the calculator. Now what do I do with that -4 and the -9? We do multiply. So a negative times a negative should be positive, and 9 times 4 is what?
Trusted you.
Hey. 9 times. Then answer. 9 times 4, what do we get?
48.
Not 34. What?
28.
36. Thank you so much. 36. Positive 36. Okay. And then what do we do vertically? Nope. Add. Negative 29 plus 36. What do we get? Negative 29 plus 36. Hey.
15. Negative 15. Negative 65.
No. Negative 20. Negative 29 plus 36. Positive 7. Okay. Then what do I do with 7 and -9? Multiply. So 7 times. 7 times -9 is -63, and again I'm going to add vertically -63.
5. Negative 4.
-4. Thank you.
I was off.
Now here's the deal. Once we do all this trickery, we get all these numbers at the bottom. We need to rewrite it as the coefficients. So the highest power we had was 3. We take away 1, and now we're going to have x squared as our highest power. Just on the bottom here. So this 1 is going to be in front of x squared. This -4 is going to be in front of x. The 7 is the constant, right? And then the last part is the remainder. So I have a -4 over the x plus 9. So you can put -4 divided by x plus 9. It's just whatever's in front of the remainder number. Good question. Okay. Now, you have like a good amount of these on the review, and you're going to have them on your test. So you want to get some good practice on this. I'm going to hand you the review. This is the only way to get a good test grade, or the main way to get a good test grade, is to actually do your review. Actually try it. If you actually try it and you actually don't know it, you can refer to the review video and the review key that's on the walls and on the Google Classroom stream. Tonight, you could actually do this. I highly suggest spending 30 minutes, just that much time, can do a lot for you to actually think about this before your test tomorrow, okay? So please, if you don't like your grade now, imagine getting a bad test grade tomorrow, what that will do to it. Okay. Do spend time with your family. See if you can carve out a little bit of time. Please carve out time to do this, okay? Now you could, in theory, finish it all in class, but a lot of us have issues with focusing in class. So again, it might help you. It might help you to do some of this tonight. Just saying. All right, let's get started.